To solve this question, we need to look through our answer choices and find the one with the lowest value. Let's start by looking at answer choice C, because answer choice C is going to be greater than 1/2. Why? Because we're adding a fraction to 1/2. We don't see any 1/2s anywhere else in our other answers, meaning that this is going to have the largest value, not the lowest value. So we can eliminate answer choice C. From there, notice that all of our fractions have 1 in the numerator. When all of our numerators are the same, we can compare the value of fractions by looking at their denominators. In this case, I'll do this as an example. The smaller the denominator, the greater its value. So if we look through our answer choices and see that 3 and 4 are the two least valued denominators of all of our other denominators, those answer choices are probably going to have a higher value than the rest. So we can eliminate those, and by process of elimination, see that answer choice B is likely our correct answer. And that tracks because 5 and 8 are some of the highest numbers we see in those denominators. I'll get rid of the line so you can see. 5 and 8 are the highest value denominators we see, meaning that the total value of that fraction will be less. At that point, you could mark B and move on with the rest of the test. But for the sake of the video, let me show you exactly why B is correct. For answer choice A, the easiest way to add these two together would be to find their a common denominator. 1/3 could be converted into a fraction of 2/6 by multiplying the top and bottom by 2. 1 times 2 would give us 2, 3 times 2 would give us 6. Then we can add that and get 3/6, which is equal to 1/2, since 3 is exactly half of 6. For our second fraction, we could convert these to decimal form. We could say this is 1/5 is 0.2 plus 1/8, which is 0.125, which would give us 0.325. And 1/2, for the sake of ease, I'll convert to a decimal so it's easier to compare. Then for answer choice C, we have 1/2, which is 0.5, plus 1/10, which is 0.1, which would just give us 0.6. And finally, for the last answer choice, we have 1/4, which is equal to 0.25, plus 1/7, which is equal to 1.43. And when we add these two together, we'll get about 0.393. So these are now all 4 of our decimals. And to look for the lowest value, we can see that 0.325 is our lowest value, and that corresponded with this answer choice, making answer choice B our correct answer.